Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gemini Photo and signing into your Google account. This links storage and preferences. Next, upload the image using drag and drop, paste, or camera capture. Gemini accepts JPG, PNG hike. Once uploaded, allow the app permissions for storage and camera access so edits save correctly. Make sure to set privacy options for album visibility and autosave. These steps get you immediately into the editor, so you can begin precise prompts and localized retouches without delay. Once your photo is loaded, choose the tool that matches your goal. Enhance for broad fixes, magic erase to remove distractions, mask for precise areas, or generate for new content. Use concise prompts with constraints, for example. Clean sky, add golden hour warmth plus 10% saturation, and combine with brush-based masks for exact control. Adjust sliders for exposure, contrast, sharpness, and color temperature to refine the look. Make sure to preview different output sizes and choose the balance between detail and file size. To finish, export the final image. Save to Google Drive, download as PNG or JPG, or generate a shareable link. Pick quality and size before saving. Once done, review the edit history and use undo or duplicate the image to create alternate versions without losing a baseline. If you see artifacts or overgeneration, rerun the specific edit with more conservative prompts, lower generation strength, or apply a local mask and clone tool to manually correct problem areas. This ensures a clean final photo and a quick recovery path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.